Hi, I'm Johnny with OnlineLabels.com, and today I'm going to show you how to add extra durability to your labels to help them last longer and stand up to moisture. Many products require labels that can withstand getting wet and frequent handling. While we do sell waterproof specific labels, these tips will help improve the durability of all of our printable labels. Keep in mind that if you're using a paper-based label, these tips may not completely waterproof the material, but it will help the durability of your design. The first method will be to use a clear gloss overcoat spray on your labels. These can be found in most home improvement stores and are relatively affordable. After printing, remove the matrix from the sheet. The matrix is the leftover space around your printed labels. Place your labels on a clean surface. Make sure you have a tarp or some sort of covering if you're using a piece of furniture. Shake the clear coat can and begin spraying your labels. Be sure to keep your can about 10 to 12 inches away from the labels and spray in a sweeping motion, releasing the nozzle after each pass. Give the labels about 10 to 15 minutes to dry. Now your labels are ready to apply. The second method to improving your label's durability is to apply our clear gloss laser material as an overcoat. This acts as a sort of lamination for your printed labels to add extra protection against moisture and handling. All you need to do this is a sheet of our clear gloss laser labels in a size slightly larger than your printed labels. Then just place these over your printed labels and let it set. The longer you let it set, the better it'll be at keeping moisture away. Although these methods will help your label withstand wet environments, it's much easier and more effective to use one of our weatherproof label materials. We offer white matte and gloss weatherproof labels for inkjet printers, and even more options for laser printers, including clear and silver foil. We even have weatherproof options for roll labels. Our weatherproof labels work pretty much like any other label material. All you have to do is stick them in the printer and print. If you're interested in learning more about our waterproof labels, be sure to check us out at OnlineLabels.com. And while you're there, you can check out even more articles and videos to help your business grow.